Welcome, and thank you for joining me in another exciting episode from Royal Pumpkin Academy, brought to you by Royal Pumpkin, the modern-day vegan's #1 choice for all natural and eco-friendly wellness products. Make the switch today, and remember, happy fish, healthy planet. On today's episode, I'll be attempting a light blue sunburst effect with a white base. Stay tuned to the end and see how it turned out. Starting with our melted oils of olive, coconut, shea butter, castor, and sunflower, and in goes the lye solution, and mixing until a light trace is formed. Trace is the consistency of soap batter, and it means that the oils and sodium hydroxide, or NaHO, is fully emulsified. Splitting off about half a cup of the soap batter, and I'll be adding brilliant blue mica that I pre-mixed in some of our melted oils beforehand, and good old-fashioned food-grade titanium dioxide from Nurture Soap. Oops! It seems I forgot to add in the essential oils. I'm just going to add them in and mix them by hand. And, oh no! The essential oils have dramatically slowed down Trace, and now it's super runny. But I'm going to pour them out anyways and see what happens. This blend of essential oils was provided by Kenna over at modernsoapmaking.com, and it's full of citrus with a light earthy floral base consisting of orange sweet, list C cubeba, lemon, clary sage, and lavender. You can find the full recipe in the link below. I wanted to have the blue only sit in the center of the white base, but as you can see with the runny consistency, it doesn't want to stay put. This is why you should never get too attached to your soaping vision, because the soap will just do what it wants to sometimes. I'm going to use a hanger tool to create the sunburst swirl and then top it off with the rest of the blue and using a chopstick to lightly swirl the top for some added interest. Giving a spritz of rubbing alcohol to ward off any soda ash, and finishing with a dusting of HOLO Bio-glitter. Shout out to all you holosexuals out there, this one's for you. About 36 hours later, and the soap is still giving me some difficulties unmolding. I suspect it's because the essential oil blend I added really slowed down the cure. And the moment of truth. Okay, so it's not what I was hoping for, but it's still not that bad. I kind of like it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get more content from Royal Pumpkin Academy. Until next time, bye!